Model, 2014 Renault Trafic VIVARO Sl29 Dci SA. Low mileage. Automatic, drives perfect, starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 96,791. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115 automatic. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Automatic gearbox changes gears smoothly. Does exactly what it says on the tin. First to see will buy. Smiling face. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.